Hi, good morning mga kanotes. We're now heading to Tokyo to visit their famous TeamLab planets.
Good morning!
Good morning!
Naku, ginaya pang apo.
Dalawa pala yung klase ng TeamLab Planets at TeamLab Borderless. Doon muna tayo sa TeamLab Planets. It is less than 2-hour drive from our place to Tokyo. If you're riding on a train, it's a 1-minute walk from Shin-Toyosu Station, or a 10-minute walk if you get off at Toyosu Station. Also, kung gusto nyo isama sa itinerary nyo ang TeamLab Planets, you need to book your tickets online in advance. Kasi madalas sold out na sila.
Pero saan napunta mo?
Sa TeamLab nga.
Sa kabila yun, hindi dyan. Asus.
TeamLab Planets Tokyo is an art facility that utilizes digital technology and was established by TeamLab and DMN.com. Andito pa rin tayo sa TeamLab Planets dito sa may Tokyo at iisa-isahin natin kung ano mga makikita sa loob. So tara, pasok na.
Ay, pila pala muna.
Habang nakapila, napansin ko itong may masarap na kainan sa harapan. Puro vegan lang.
Vegan? Sus, ang pag-pronounce.
Vegan, Ilocos.
Nyet, sabi lang nga ba sa Blay?
Daming turista, it was very packed inside. Lakad pa,
And leave our things to the locker room.
Na kailangan daw nakapapa kami. At may pa free shorts pa sila just in case naka long pants ka. Ayun, kaya pala dadaan sa baha. Inuhugasan lang ang paa mo kasi naka-barefoot ka all along. May clean dry towel naman after. Here's one of the rooms. Ang tawag ko rito, Lights and Fishes.
Baha pa? Nasa Pinas ka ba?
Alam mo, ilaw lang sila. Hindi sila totoong isda. Pero pag pupunta sa'yo, mararamdaman mo na parang kinakagat ka. Promise na nararamdaman mo yung mga bibig nila.
Pinagtampisaw kami sa
Ano
dagat.
yung paglapit nila sa'yo na parang kinakagat ka. Pero hindi naman totoo.
Ayan, pupunta sa akin, oh. Ay, ayoko.
Ang galing, ba't hindi nalang huliin at namakain? Sarap na inihaw yan. Wamis.
Ilaw lang nga.
We, di nga.
Next attraction inside TeamLab Planets, Lights and Mirror Maze.
Wow, ano ba itong dinadaanan namin? Kami ba'y nasa langit na?
They also call this the Infinite Crystal Universe, Lights and Mirror Maze. From the name itself, pagpasok mo, nakaka-amaze talaga. These crystals dangling from the ceiling, preventing the guests from seeing the mirrors clearly and making it seem both expansive and contained at the same time.
Wa, bunaga.
Huwag kang magulo.
Ang galing para magic.
Ayan, dumilim na.
Alam mo, pag nakapasok ka dito sa loob, makikiliti ang iyong mga pagdama at mababago ang iyong mga pananaw. Dax. Sus, ang gaganda ng mga paa. Nagpa-pedicure ba kayo?
Andito pa rin tayo sa TeamLab Planets Tokyo at ito ang third room na pupuntahan natin.
Three-dimensional existence.
This room is filled with spheres with free-floating lights. People move through this and enter the space.
Ah, we can touch the wall. Okay.
Wala namang wall, puro balloon.
Spheres, hindi balloon.
Ha? Spell please. Eto nang akap pa ng balloon.
Natulog.
Estes Spears.
When people move through or spike the spheres and they receive a shock, it change color and resonate out that color.
Aha. Okay, in Tagalog, pag nauga, nag-iibang kulay.
At umaalingaw-ngaw ang
Ang tatlong dimension na kulay sa ibang spheres. Globo o lobo o balloon. Whatever.
Andito pa rin tayo sa Team Planet Tokyo and we're heading to the fourth room. They call it the Falling Universe of Flowers.
Madilim na kwarto na naman ang pinasok namin dito.
Uy, ano to? Ang gulo. Nahilo ako. Nakakahilo.
Nakakaliyo Kaya pala pagpasok mo yung mga tao nakahiga na nahilo agad.
So as you lay down and sit, this digital art tells the story of flowers blooming and changing over time. Although it's digital and pre-recorded, it really is beautiful.
Ha? Nagandahan ka nga, hilo ka naman. Naku.
So kami nakahiga sa floor.
Tara, higa na at nahilo na. Okay, sleep na. Bye. TeamLab Planets, room number 6.
Moss Garden of Resonating Microcosms. We stepped inside using slippers provided for us into a rock garden filled with moss. But unlike most rock garden in Japan, this one was filled with oddly shaped, large, almost glass-like stones that shifted in colors.
Para mga malalaking itlog ng dinosaur. Although a little distorted.
At hindi masyadong oval.
Ay, naglaro.
lahat eh.
Ginalaw lahat. Naglaro yung bata. Ay, eto po, may bata naglalaro.
Guard!
Max yung
Ha?
sumasakay sa elevator na bata ginagawa.
Kalaw pa nagbabago yung...
Pag ginagalaw, nag-iiba ng ano.
Kulay.
And it did feel like we had stepped into another world or land in a sense.
Ay, kabo. Nakasta ka English ah.
Andito pa rin tayo sa Team Planet Tokyo.
Ha? Na naman?
Hehe, promise, last na to.
Ay, salamat. Umay na. The final room is the floating flower garden.
Garden.
Garden!
In this final room, marami rin mga mirrors. But this time, we were also surrounded by hanging flowers.
At nagalaw ito up and down.
Ano daw?
Huwag daw pipitas.
Alam mo.
Hello. Hi to the camera.
Hi to the camera. Hi to the camera. Ito may order ni Ortiz.
Turkish ba yan?
Ortiz sa tunay.
Ay, sus, natapos din ang Team Love Planets. Kabog!